اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد.
We should go.
Yes.
So, checked all of them yet? Almost.
You were right. One was still alive.
Let's get going. I don't want to end up like Diaz. Why isn't that portcullis raised yet? Hey, raise the damn gates!
I'm going. Hide in the car when you can. What about you?
Come on, what is he doing? Unbelievable. I'm gonna kick his ass. Oh, about goddamn time!
What?
They're coming.
Oh, no.
No! It's too early! That's too early! Move! Quicker!
Climb up.
Light up the trench! Give us buy some time! I'm going to the chapel! I'll close the bloodline!
There are so many! I made them come here!
It doesn't matter right now, Hugo. Don't panic. Think. Look around. What now? Hey, here.
Sophia!
You're here. Huh. What the hell happened? It's bad, Sophia. Do you see any way out of this? With them around, I don't... Maybe. But it's going to be... no matter. Now, either it works, or I'm dead. Wow, I can't believe I'm doing this. That thing is amazing. Whew. Yes, my greatest treasure. I wasn't sure it would channel enough of that fire's light. Now come down. Yes. Thank you for coming back.
Yes. Thank you.
I gave you my word. Listen, I can cover us through with it, but I'll need another fire to get us through this hell. I'll handle it. Right. I'll leave the rats to you. Just tell me which fire... Sophia, light the way for us! Stay with me. All right, let go. Fine. Sophia, open us a path! Everyone stay in the light! So, the chapel's on the other side of that trench, right? Right. And we need a way to cross. Sophia, light a way for us! Stay close to me! All right, we're making progress. How can you be so calm?
We've done that a lot.
Obviously, a stupid question. Open the way for us, Sophia! Everyone, stay in the light! Stop now! I got it.
That's a lot of fire.
I'll make us a safe path. Sophia, open us a path! Stay with me. You can let go. Deal. Open the way for us, Sophia! Everyone, stay in the light! All right, let go! Of course. Here you go.
Oh, they're getting through.
Yes, bloody little opportunists. We're here.
All of you, hold your positions and watch those trenches! Milo, you can go whenever you want!
They're here too.
Careful.
Hold off the rats from the chapel for as long as you can! Understood?
It's right behind that portcullis.
Make sure I'm not disturbed! This is between the child and me!
What is he going to do?
You heard the boss! Everybody keep watch! And close that portcullis!
So, your protector's supposed to have been taken there? Yes. Let's try to cross. Sophia, light a way for us! Stay close to me! Open us a path! Everyone stay in the light!
Believe me, it was just the beginning. Don't touch me!
Careful. It's barely bright enough for my prism now.
It's got him. Well, seems you're done. Here, that's for you!
Hold off the rats from the chapel for as long as you can.
Understood?
It's right behind that portcullis.
Make sure I'm not disturbed. This is between the child and me.
What is he going to do?
You heard the boss. Everybody keep watch. Close that portcullis.
So, your protector's supposed to have been taken there? Yes. Let's try to cross.
Rats! Bloody rats!
Yes, keep going.
Oh, do what I must.
Hey, you! Back up! Hey, you alright? He was murdered. We got an intruder. Alright, you win this time.
Can't believe you've been through all this before. This is even worse.
It always is.
We'll make it.
He's right.
Hold off the rats from the chapel for as long as you can.
Understood?
It's right behind that portcullis.
Make sure I'm not disturbed. This is between the child and me.
What is he going to do?
You heard the boss. Everybody
Yes,
keep watch.
keep going.
Close that portcullis.
Oh, do what I must. Your protector's supposed to have been taken there. Yes. Let's try to cross.
What are you doing here?
Open the way for us, Sophia! Stay close to me!
Hey, mate, wake up. Everything all right? Hey,
Keep your eyes open. Someone's been killed.
what now?
I Aha! I knew I'd find out. I won't give up that easily! I'll get ya!
Can you stop? As you wish.
I see. Over there! Get him!
They're coming straight at us! Sophia, light the way for us! Everyone, stay in the light!
With me! Trespassers over here!
Working on it.
Don't worry, I'll still find you!
All right, stop. At your service. Careful.
Easy to find you now. What we got here?
They know about us!
What's going on? Fire. It's nothing.
Good. It's time to cross that trench again.
What the? I saw...
You're not allowed to be here! Hiding back there won't save you!
Here's our way through.
We're not done
Look,
yet!
they're
I'll
crossing
get
too.
you!
Let them. They can
Think I
help.
won't find you! Here you are!
They're on us! That was one of them. It will be easier now. That was a bit excessive now.
It will teach them.
Let's just move forward, please. Can't believe you've been through all this before. This is even worse.
It always is.
We'll make it.
I'm sure I'll find you here!
He knows we're here.
Oh, you're that way!
He's looking for us. Sophia, open us a path! Stay close to me! That's enough! Let go! I got it. Sophia, light a way for us! Stay with me. My prism isn't getting much light over here. Be careful. We'll never get through that. We need to lift it. Sophia, open us a path! Everyone stay in the light! You can let go. Deal. Up! Ah! Help!
I'll make you pay for this! Aha! You betrayed yourselves, bastards!
Careful. Can't believe you've been quiet. We're above the gate. The crank should be close. Let's do this. Amicia, Milo's right behind that wall. I know, just making sure you're prepared. Not really, but let's go.
He's dead! The gate is open! What's going on?
There are more. We'll deal with them. We're too close now.
Nothing here.
What if there's nothing in the chapel? Promise me we'll go back to see Mummy and Lucas.
Yes, I promise.
All right.
Sounds reasonable.
What happened here? Why are the rats here? What have they done? Hey, anybody here? Hell, I don't like that. I knew we'd lose control.
Let's check.
He knows we're here.
Oh no, he's been killed!
Open the way for us, Sophia! Stay with me. Careful. It's Ben. Stop now! Of course.
No, I knew it.
It's barbaric. Sacrificed. Like animals.
Why?
They think the blood will bring the child to like them.
He would kill them for this.
Look, on the door. Your order symbol. Let's get inside that chapel and leave. At last.
Oh, it's the child. There's so many of them.
They're pretty recent. Who did this? Milo? This fresco. It's the carrier and his protector. It's the only one where she appears. So, what? This chapel was dedicated to her? To the protector. Aelia was just filling a position. That was her function among the Order.
They wanted to punish her.
Let's look down there. Where the hell is Milo? I don't know. Aelia's more important. A crypt.
There's nothing.
Let me look.
Unum tueri omnes tuendo?
Protect one, protect all.
That's from the Protector. The Order locked her in here.
That's a nice dynasty of morons you got there.
Be careful. There might be a spider in there.
This thing again. Why?
She's angry. Scared for the carrier. He's so young. She wants him back. She knows where they took him. The sanctuary. The palace. The fort. The map. This is where they took him.
Wait. So it's that easy? Under the map, just like that?
Just like that. A protector's legacy to another protector.
Sure. It makes sense. Whatever. Just another day in your life.
Let's go back to the map.
It still doesn't tell us where Milo is.
Well, it looked like his work was done anyway.
What the hell were you doing in there? This place is sacred!
You. It's you. You've answered my call. Did you like my offering? I can help you rule. I've got men, slaves.
You killed all of them.
For you. The Countess. She calls herself a mother, but you need no mother. You need servants.
Stop telling me what I want!
You're the girl from the painting.
No. Yeah. She is. Don't say anything.
They killed Milo! Here!
Here we go. They're coming.
Hide! Watch over Hugo!
They slaughtered Milo, goddammit! Men, come here! We need everybody!
Kill the girl! Quick!
See any way out, Sophia? No, not yet.
You ruined everything! You're gonna burn it!
You're making a mistake!
They slaughtered Milo, goddammit! Men, come here! We need everybody!
Kill the girl!
No! You won't stop us! Not now! Keep calm. Keep steady.
They slaughtered Milo, goddammit! Men, come here!
No!
We need everybody!
No! You won't stop us! Not now! See any way out, Sophia? No!
You ruined everything! You're gonna go to hell for this!
You're making a mistake! Keep calm. Keep steady. It's going to end badly, Amicia. There has to be a way out. Then try to find one.
Amicia, let me help!
No, you stay there.
If we spill their blood, the child may redeem us!
Stay back, or you're dead.
Kill that girl!
We're almost there. Don't fail now. Let us go. We can end this here.
They won't listen to you! They're too stupid!
Stop! God damn it!
What have you done? The ritual is unfinished!
You'll all die!
Calm down, Hugo. Sophia, please. Stay down, Hugo.
Let me
Yes!
help her!
Lord, they keep coming!
Yes! Show them!
Calm down. Remember what your sister told you. keep on hold. I need to end this quickly.
There's too many! Let me help!
No! Close your eyes and cover your ears, you hear me?
I can kill them all! The bats want me to!
Amicia! It's getting urgent!
It's too dangerous, Amicia! Let me face them!
Listen to me now! Stop this!
Don't tell me what to do! She's my sister!
Hugo! Listen to Sophia! Hugo, all right? I have to, whatever the cost.
She'll get tired! Slaughter her! Avenge my life!
Amicia! We have to get inside the chapel. There's no other way.
Stop them! I will!
Hugo! No! Go back! Hugo! Something now!
They must die!
They are dead! Everything's collapsing! We must leave! Amicia! Through here! To the sea! Quick! Hey!
This place was supposed to help, but I'm still the same. It's even worse.
Hugo, look at me. Hugo, look at me.
Sophia,
Why are you crying?
Because you're going to leave. Because of me.
Calm down. Now you listen to me. I've never seen anything like you two. And for some stupid reason, I like you. And I like you at the shittiest, worst of your life, right? I'm fine with that. Even the strangest things happen for a reason. Sailors' stories are full of it. That said, you need to seriously calm down and listen to what adults tell you. Deal? And you are not a goddamn army. He looks up to you. And when your death wish becomes his, this is what happens. And this will have consequences.
so... Are you staying?
Don't say it out loud.
Thank you.
You should be the ones rowing.
come here. Let me see the people. It's my fault.
It's not. We all know what happened back there.
Don't overthink it. Let's get to the map. That's why you came here.
So...
We should go back.
Protect one, protect all. That's the writing from the fort's chapel.
it's her. Aelia. The carrier's protector.
She really gave them hell.
But she died alone. What's wrong, Hugo?
Don't want you to die.
I'm alive. I'm alive.
Come on. You're a big boy. Let's have a look at that door. Hmm?
I know how it feels. Fighting alone. Fighting not to be alone. I just hope you found peace where you are.
You got any idea how we're gonna open this?
We should go back.
What? After all this? Come on.
Are you feeling better?
So-so.
Hey, we're all tired, but we're together, right? Well, let's open this door. Go on, Hugo.
All right. There's something coming out of the wall.
Huh. I think this is a break to hold the bar in place. Sophia, can you take care of it?
My pleasure.
All right. This one opens the top and bottom bars. That thing that came out of the ground, is that a crank?
I think so.
I need your help, Sophia.
All right.
I need a hand, Sophia.
Let's do this.
You can let go now.
Please don't leave me again.
Sophia, can you take care of it?
Consider it done.
Sophia, can I count on you?
All right.
I need a hand, Sophia.
My pleasure. I figured it out. I can pull the bars out all the way, and we can keep them there with that other lever. Tell me when you're ready.
I'll let you do it, Hugo.
Very well.
Sophia, can you take care of it?
Let's do this.
You can stop now.
All right.
Hugo, I need your help.
All right.
I need your help, Sophia.
Consider it done.
You can let go.
I don't like it when...
Let's do this.
Go on, Hugo.
Yes.
Sophia, can you take care of it?
All right. I think we'll need an extra hand to open that door.
You can let go now.
My pleasure.
Sophia, can I count on you?
Let's do this.
How many people are operating this door? I need to go back to it.
Please don't leave me again.
A cart? What's it doing here? I'll need help to hold this thing open. I need a hand, Sophia.
Consider it done.
There's a pole attached to it. It must be for something. Take care of it, Hugo.
All right.
Look. Children's clothes, toys.
Basilius. They're his.
This doesn't look like a playroom, though.
They took them away from him.
It means he's close. Somewhere beyond that door.
One hell of a door for a child.
Not just any child. We'll see. Let's go back to that door.
So, we need the bars on both sides locked. I need your help, Sophia. All right.
It works. One bar done. Now for the rest. Sophia, can I count on you?
My pleasure.
I'll let you do it, Hugo. Stop.
Let's do this.
Let's open this, Sophia.
I'm a bit nervous about it, to be honest.
It's working!
Yes, this is happening.
What's that smell?
It shouldn't be open. We can still close it.
No, we'll find Basilius.
Goodness. I don't like what I see in there.
It's going even deeper. We can still leave Amicia.
No. We'll pass that door all together. We're here. If you want to go back, Sophia, now is the time.
Let's go.
I want to go back.
Please, Hugo.
What are we breathing?
Rat's nest. But the air is much thicker.
It's been there a long time.
Since Basilius?
I think so. Oh, I feel funny.
Your head.
There's noise.
Corin, what is that?
This is not welcoming.
Let's see.
That did something. Definitely. Prepare to run, just in case.
It's a bridge.
This place is a goddamn underground fortress.
Let's keep going. It seems to go all the way.
But there's a missing piece.
Yes.
Look, here. There's a way down. Well, it's steep, but...
Right. It could work. I'll try first.
Be careful. Amicia, no! Are you alright?
Nothing broken? No! Just a bit shaken up. But now we know. That was a bad idea.
How will you come back?
I'll look around and see what I can do. Wait for me. Take care.
Yes!
Now. How am I going to get back? Wait, please, Mark.
Hey! I don't know what you did, but it worked. It's those chains. They handle the bridge.
There's another piece missing! Over there!
All right. I'll keep moving and take care of it. We'll wait for you.
Come on.
She's going to get hurt, Sophia!
She'll be fine. She's the most resourceful woman I've ever met.
Really?
But she's alone! And there's so many!
You know her. She's done this before. She's stubborn. Far more stubborn than them. This is all terrifying. I'm terrified. But it doesn't mean we're not strong anyway, right?
You're really terrified.
Yes. Keep it a secret.
Thank you, Sophia.
Amicia! How are you doing?
Just perfect. I feel surrounded. Don't get too used to it.
Good.
You're safe!
Not for now.
I told you she'd do it.
Here we go.
Well done. Did it work? Yes. We can cross all the way.
You need to find a way to come back now!
I will. Don't worry.
Please, make it an easy way. He's holding on by a thread. Oh, Lord, I hope I'm not wrong. What do we have here? Let's see what can be done.
it, Hugo!
I know you want to.
No, I will! I will do it! Well, she means it, boy. Trust her. Come on, Basilius, give us something. He's worth it, I promise. I beg you. Damn wreck!
Hey, you're stuck, right?
Yes! Can't go further with my cart!
Go around the wreck. We have something for you.
Coming! Hey! I'm here!
Ah, are you all right?
We found more Greek fire.
I'll send you a tank to get that thing out of the way.
We put a rope around it so you can catch it.
Perfect!
Step back, Hugo. Here it comes.
I see it! Perfectly, thank you! I'll go back to the carts!
Yes. Quick. You're almost there.
Back to it. Now focus. Find Basilius. Grab whatever you can find and get out. Then he'll live.
You did it.
I'm a big girl!
I know. I wasn't scared.
I can attest to that.
You're here.
Hey,
You're here.
it's all right. It's all right. Let it go.
Do you want to take a break?
No, we'd better go. I'm here now. Let's go.
I'm sad. I'm scared, Amicia.
I know. We've been through a lot.
But it's like it's not my mind.
Is it Basilius's?
Maybe. It's really heavy. I'm scared.
Guess that means we're getting close.
The end of the bridge. Time to see where this
We're not going
leads.
back, are we?
No, just checking the exit route. Let's finish what we came for.
Oh, that smell. It's suffocating. Oh.
Oh, it's wrong. So wrong.
What's going on?
It's there, Amicia. I don't want to.
But we have to. We have to.
Oh. It looks bad.
Lord. It feels like a cathedral.
They built this for him.
So, he's down there?
Yes. At the heart of all this. It looks like what the last threshold would do. Aelia failed to reach him, and this is what happened.
But what? What happened? And what happened to him?
I don't want to know.
You have to. He brought you here. It's your legacy.
I don't want a legacy.
Hugo,
I want to be
before
normal.
we get things back to normal, you must live.
You want that, but I keep ruining things.
But you don't do it on purpose. You're a child.
There were children in the Red City too.
It's tough, Hugo. We don't know each other very well, but I know you deserve a second chance. Even if we have to find it in hell.
Yes.
Not yet. fighting Helder. I want him out of my head!
We're close. If he's down there, so is what could save you.
What's the point if I keep ruining everything?
Stop! You have to trust me.
I can't. Amicia! Sophia!
Sweetheart, please, I know.
No, you don't! Why are you doing this?
Amicia, come, I'll carry you. We'll do this together. This is too much. I'm sorry you have to go through this. I do it for you.
I want rest.
You'll have it. But you must live first. I need you.
I'm scared of myself,
Stop.
Amicia.
You will live. We will fight. We will hold. Come on. Come. Is that the carrier? They imprisoned him.
But why?
They were scared of him, of his power. This is why they built all this. They were always afraid. They left a child to die. He unleashed the rats. They tore through their walls. They couldn't stop them. It started here. What? The Justinian plague.
He was sad. So sad and angry.
So that's why the macula brought us here? Oh, there has to be something. A scroll? A file? Oh, something. I see nothing. Aelia. She failed. Amicia. She failed, Sophia. I know.
It's unfair! When I die,
You won't die.
I will also kill them all!
No, Hugo. He wasn't meant to die. When they took him from his protector, he lost hope. So he gave in to the macula and condemned them all.
And he was right!
No, but if one word from her had reached him, he would have known he wasn't alone. He would have lived and spared millions. Do you understand? You won't die. I'm here for you, and I will give you the life you deserve. A life without fight. Do you want that? Let's find ourselves a home. I don't think they agree. What's going on? We must go! Quick, quick! Move! To the right!
You want me to leave?
They'll get nothing! Stay your breath! Stay with me! Oh, no! Up! Sophia! On your left! The broken door! Yeah, come on, Hugo! Everything's going to collapse!
They're so angry!
Ignore them! Just run! Oh no, they're not slowing down!
So collapsing!
We can still do it! Keeping up! Trying to! They're on our heels! Climb quick!
I'm trying!
Move!
Leave us! Leave us!
Ignore them!
I'll push you up. Keep going. These bastards are not to the right. I see light. Yes, it's the outside.
Ah, no!
Give it all you have, Hugo. We're almost down. To hell with these bastards. We're getting out.
Tell me they're sealed inside.
I think we're fine. Anyone hurt? Hugo?
It was horrible.
Yes. I'm sorry you had to see that. The macula lured you in.
The macula really has a way with children.
They put chains on him.
Yes, but you'll live. That's what's most important.
That's not what's most important. I'm scared to think people are that bad. I'm scared of what they'll make me do.
You're right. Listen. There will always be people who do terrible things. That's how the world is. But you have to trust in your own goodness. And goodness of others. People who care. Who want you to be happy. Friends.
Like me.
Friends make you want to be good, right? If you doubt it, I understand. But you can trust me. You can trust us.
I trust you.
We'll find a place of our own. Let's leave this island.
We have a boat to catch. And a sea of rats to cross first.
They won't stop us. Everything is different.
Things are not getting better. Although it seems they figured the critters out already.
Others did before and died anyway. It's too late. We must go.
But
It's not just about this island anymore, Hugo. We need to leave or we'll doom everything. Careful with the drop here.
all right. Oh, he's dead.
Good. Now we... We need to jump down.
Yes.
Oh. No choice. Sorry.
Yes. Sorry.
Come, we'll cross. Good. Now we do things safe and slow. No taking stupid risks. Hugo, if you feel funny, tell us right away.
I will.
Can't wait to leave this rock.
All right, the harbor. Come.
Hey, my lady!
What is it now?
You're the Countess's guests, aren't you? Are you hurt?
No.
We have orders to escort you safely to the palace.
Actually, we were about to leave.
You have guests.
Guests? Who?
Your mother and a boy.
Of course.
Do you think she's going to scold us?
I don't know.
We should go see her. It's been a long time.
Yes. We can't run away from this, I guess.
Wow. Look at the two of you. Only a mum can have such power over someone. All right. You know what? I'll head to the harbor and prepare the boat. You join me as soon as you can.
Take this. Whatever happens, keep this flame alive, all right?
Yes. Be careful.
Don't worry. I've learned from both of you.
Lead the way, then.
What will we tell her?
The truth. We found what we came for. And I'm the one to blame.
I'll defend you.
My hero.
Hurry! Move before they come
Is
back!
the palace going to hold, sir?
For now.
Get those
The Count
fires
opened the
started
gates to
again.
the people. But there's so many dead and wounded.
Get your boats!
We've seen that.
Careful! Stay back!
It's like the one we saw. The broken one.
Shh. Yes. Where did they get it?
You're safe as long as you stay inside this line. But outside, without light...
Yes. We know.
Anyway, you're safe now.
Are you not planning to evacuate?
Not yet. Not until we've got everybody regrouped.
Get to the bridge! Hold the line! We need more fires on the main road!
Pick up the pace! Keep these flames fed!
Even help here?
It looks like a war.
Come give me a hand with this! The rats are pushing on our east flank! We need torches there!
They should evacuate.
Yes. No one can win against them.
We'll need it to carry the wounded.
Clear the way!
Belongings?
You can bring them inside.
All right, I understand. Good luck.
Dig trenches along the ramparts and fill them with tar. Keep them burning. Any breach could make the palace fall.
And if the rats enter the palace...
Then you're dead. Keep them burning.
Have you fixed the piston yet? We need this cart on the ramparts fast!
Another one.
Get off my back. This thing's so old it might just explode.
We've got wounded up here. It's not pretty. The child may want to look away.
I know blood.
Still, try not to look.
There are more.
My arm! It's burning!
They're the ones who've been bitten.
Yes. It will soon spread.
It's over. Let him go.
Come to your senses. They're the rats from the fresco. Wounded coming.
So it means the child is coming.
The child is supposed to lead us to brighter days, not this carnage.
Quiet! This is not the time to argue.
Children.
Blessed be the camp for this food. It's not much, but we have to mind our supplies.
Let's pray this nightmare ends soon.
This is my fault.
Shh, please.
This is but a test. The child senses. You must not lose faith.
Are the rats really announcing his coming?
Through there.
Why is he killing us?
You
Still
too.
your hearts. Pray to him. Just pray.
Mummy!
You're here.
My God, you're alive. Mother, come here. Please, come here.
Mother,
How are you? Your head.
it's fine. Don't worry. How did you find us?
You left quite a trail behind you. But tell me, is it the one? This island?
The one from your dream.
There was another carrier, like me.
Another carrier.
Yes. Back in the 6th century. A child called Basilius. We found him, chained, in an order prison designed especially for him.
What?
I think they panicked when he reached his last threshold. They took him away from his protector. Locked him in there to contain what would happen next.
A new plague. In the 6th century, that's...
The Justinian plague. We knew it was connected to the macula, but... So it started here, with this Basilius.
But it was not his fault. He was just all alone and scared.
Yes. Mother, Magister Vaudin said Hugo is condemned. But this is what the Order believes, based on their mistake in the past with Basilius. If he'd had his protector, like Hugo has us, I'm almost sure nothing would have happened. Think about it. During the last months on the road, the times when it was quiet, everything was just fine. He was fine.
That's true.
Something tells me that if we settle down somewhere safe and live there as a family,
maybe the plague would stop with time.
It would stop getting worse.
Fear really clouded our minds, didn't it? Except yours, Protector.
Yes.
Remember that house we have in the mountains? We'll be great there.
We'll be big and tall.
Sorry to interrupt. The Count wants to see you.
Me? Now? But we were about to leave.
He is the Count of Provence, my lady.
Yes. We'll wait for you. For now, we're safer here than outside anyway.
Fine. Take me to him.
Follow me.
Do you know what the Count wants with me?
No.
I thought he would be attending to more urgent matters.
Seeing you must be an urgent matter. Act with dignity in his presence. These are dark times. He's touched, like any of us.
All right. I will.
The main gate is secure enough for now, but the western rampart is still weak. If the rats enter through there, we won't be able to evacuate the wounded. Now, I want to know where those rats come from. Send scouts. If we can find a way to slow them, stop them, or send them to hell, it'll be worth the risk.
Sire, she's here.
Good. This is a war unlike any other. But it is still a war. Dismissed. And have faith. It's not over yet.
Yes, sir.
Come, I need you.
Very well.
Count.
So you survived those beasts?
Barely. I'm sorry for your land.
A lord should know that no peace lasts forever. But I confess that after years of war, I had dared to hope that this one would.
I understand. The scars are still so vivid. They fill the mind when you want only rest. Sorry,
No. That's exactly it.
It's only human. I think.
You're right. But it doesn't stop you from being there when battle calls.
Yes.
I beg you, brothers and sisters, do not be afraid. The rats are the heralds of the Child of Embers. He will return to us soon.
Is the child really coming?
All the signs are here.
You mean the rats?
Not only the rats. Come. You'll see for yourself.
Yes.
Emily wants the boy, Amicia. I'm sorry, but she is sure now.
Sure about what?
That your brother is the Child of Embers. She must have him, so you must die.
No, listen! You are all completely wrong about this! Your cult, everything!
You're probably right. Because I invented most of it. And I did it for her.
What?
Emily. Her bloody parents broke her mind until she tried to take her own life. Poisoned her own body. So I brought her here, offered her this Child of Embers story, and not only did she believe it, she turned it into hope for the people.
You fed her a lie!
What are you trying to do? Accept your fate!
Yeah!
Oh, damn you!
Hugo, run!
How dare you! Come back!
Get back to them. Go!
I won't lose her. Not for you.
Go to hell!
Where are you going?
You won't have him! Move! To the right. Come on! Quick!
You can't imagine what's at stake.
Go to hell, you bastard!
I tried to be patient.
No! No! You won't get him!
I'll find you, and you will die like a dog.
Hey! What's going on? I need help. Please, how do I get out of here? Who are you?
Where is she?
Behind that tractor!
Shut up!
Everybody out!
Keep out of sight.
You and me. Now.
Need to move.
Hiding, are we? There you are!
There's no point running, Amicia. Where is she?
Behind that tractor!
Shut up!
Everybody out!
Keep out of sight.
You and me. Now.
Need to move.
You know you can't go anywhere. Amicia, you are so noisy. You won't stand like this. Here you are. That cover won't save you from me.
No! You won't get me!
Where have you gone, damn it? Amicia, come to me.
Hey! What's going on?
Stay back!
No! You're trespassing!
Where is she?
Behind that tractor!
Shut up!
Everybody out!
Keep out of sight.
You and me. Now. Come on. Let's finish this. I know it seems unfair, but you don't know what it takes to rule. War. It's so easy. I could destroy... Found you.
No! You won't get me!
Hey! What's going on?
Stay back!
No! You're trespassing!
Where are you running? There is no escape! Where is she?
Behind that tractor!
Shut up!
Everybody out!
Keep out of sight.
Got you at last. Do you really think hiding behind that will save you? Don't resist.
No! You won't get me!
Hiding, are we? Amicia, there you are.
Hey! What's going on?
Stay back!
No! You're trespassing!
Where are you running? There is no escape!
Mother, Lucas, how I've just touched them!
It's too late. Now she knows he exists.
Bastard! Bastard!
People believe in her as much as in the child.
Stay away from me!
Don't you get it? This is bigger than you! Give up! Surrender your brother! We can't do this the easy way!
You're crazy! You'll all die if you take him away from us!
Don't be so dramatic. You'll simply disappear and the world won't care. Just let go.
You've lived a life for so long! You can't see the truth anymore!
The truth is everything that's rotten but her. She's the only reason this world will not burn. But we will protect your brother from that. Let's play. I'm good at this game, you'll see.
Go to hell! You pig! I need to find the others. Quick! Must be a way to get back upstairs. You've ruined my shoulder for good. It hurts. No way out. Noisy!
Chose the hard way.
No time. Quick, move!
I hear you. Fear makes you sloppy.
Lose him, quick!
Amicia, don't hide behind there. Come out!
Hide!
Amicia, you can't hide.
Don't stop.
behind that.
You can do it. Maybe lock him inside those cells.
Where could you be? You're stuck here. Wherever you go, I'll find you. I've been trained for this.